Nova Cypher, an unstoppable future of cryptocurrency. Well, today we will have a brief understanding of what it is, what it does, and how it is beneficial for everyone around the world. Moving forward, Nova Cypher integrates the top-notch and highly secure cryptocurrency payments with the various services that includes e-commerce applications, OTT platforms, fantasy sports, NFT marketplace, utility bill payments, etc. It offers an exclusive and secure platform to send, receive, store, convert, and accept cryptocurrency payments. Nova Cypher is widely popular due to its belief that is bringing cryptocurrencies closer to mass adoption while offering numerous services to set up cryptocurrency payments. It accepts crypto-based payments and ensures a high level of maintaining optimum security while performing transactions. With the assistance from Nova Cypher and its platforms, you can easily buy any subscription or make in-app purchases by utilizing highly secure and reliable cryptocurrencies and tokens available widely. Nova Cypher vision is to make the best and most trustworthy user experience in terms of cryptocurrency, payments, and other advanced technologies. It also aims at contributing more to various economic activities worldwide by bringing various crypto coins and tokens to the global monetary systems. Nova Cypher brings to you plenty of impressive solution integrated with crypto-based payment and numerous offers and fascinating features including OTT platforms, fantasy sports application, e-commerce application, cryptocurrency trading, utility bill payments, NFT marketplace. With the world fast-pacing towards decentralization transaction control, Nova Cypher also aims for the extended usage of cryptocurrency in maximum fields. It is working on the enhancement of cryptocurrency in various fields starting from e-commerce to utility bill payment platforms. Nova Cypher is approaching optimistically towards incorporating crypto in every possible area with a strong base of functionality and performance. As per the previous growth of the crypto market and based on their present market valuation, Nova Cypher is aiming higher to achieve more by projecting a standard platform for the credibility and performance of cryptocurrency on a larger scale. Every member associated with Nova Cypher is going to get benefited and can have a monthly income. Nova Cypher is not only going to provide a platform with cryptocurrency payments but also have an exciting referral program. So, what is the referral plan of Nova Cypher? We are going to explain that further. At Nova Cypher, you can earn up to $1,500 per day. In this video, we are also going to explain you everything about Nova Cypher plan which will clear all your doubts, and by the time this video ends, you will know everything about Nova Cypher referral plan. So, stay tuned with us. To join Nova Cypher, you have to buy MNTG tokens of really small amount of $20. So, you must be thinking, what is MNTG token? MNTG token is created by Monetas Global, that is designed for gaming solutions, and it has been already listed on cryptocurrency exchanges like La Token Exchange. You can purchase it easily from their MNTG wallet too, which is safe and secure. It is based on Binance Smart Chain Link BEP20. As soon as you buy MNTG of $20, you would be part of Nova Cypher family and you will be getting $0.29 daily for 150 days. At level 1, for every member that joins Nova Cypher through your referral, you will get $0.013. Let us say that through your referral 10 people join the Nova Cypher, then your daily income would be $0.13 and your monthly income in dollars would be $3.9. When you reach level 2 at Nova Cypher, for every member that joins through your referral, you will get $0.026. Let us take a same example as we did before to understand your daily income. Through your referral, if 100 people join, then at level 2 per member you will be getting $0.026, which would be equal to $2.6 daily income, and your monthly income in dollars would be $78. Similarly, for level 3, for every member that joins through your referral, you will get $0.039. Let us modify the above example little bit for your better understanding. If 1000 people join, then at level 3 per member you will be getting $0.039, which would be equal to $39 daily income, and your monthly income in dollars would be $1170. Likewise, for level 4, for every member that joins through your referral, your income per member would be $0.052. For level 5, for every member that joins through your referral, your income per member would be $0.065. For level 6, for every member that joins through your referral, your income per member would be $0.078. For level 7, for every member that joins through your referral, your income per member would be $0.091. For level 8 to level 11, all the members would be getting an income of $0.039 for every member that joins through their referral. We would also like to inform you that the level of your income would depend on your number of directs. Let us take an example to understand this. We would also like to inform you that the level of your income would depend on your number of directs. Let us take an example to understand this. Suppose if you are at level 1, income of $0.013, then you should have at least one direct. Likewise, for level 2 income, you should have at least 2 directs. For level 3, you must have at least 3 direct, and similarly at level 4, you will have 4 directs. But from level 5 to 7, you will need to add at least 2 directs at every level. Like at level 4, you had 4 directs. So now at level 5, you will have 6 directs for level 5 income, and similarly for level 6, you need to have 8 directs. For level 7 income, you must have 10 directs. For level 8, 9, 10 and 11, our members would have to upgrade their package at every level. To upgrade their package to level 8, they have to pay an upgradation fees $100. Similarly, for level 9 income, they have to pay an upgradation fees $200. For level 10 income, they have to pay an upgradation fees of $500. For level 11 income, they have to pay an upgradation fees of $1,000. Furthermore, you will require to upgrade your income as soon as you join Nova Cypher with $20. The maximum income that you can earn would be $80. If you want your income limit to increase to $200, then you need to upgrade it with $50. Similarly, if you want to increase your income limit to $400, then you have to upgrade your package with $100. Furthermore, if you want to increase your income limit to $800, then you have to upgrade your package with $200. To increase your income limit to $2,000, you can upgrade your package with $500. And lastly, to increase your income to the maximum limit of $4,000, you can upgrade your package with $1,000. When you reach the maximum level of package upgradation of $1,000, then you don't need to upgrade package anymore. In addition to this, we would also like to inform you that maximum per day income of every Nova Cypher member is $1,500, and you don't need to renew your package anymore. Minimum amount that every member can withdraw is $10, which includes the admin charge and the gas fees. For further queries, please contact us. We have provided our contact details in the description below. Thank you for watching us.